September is Deaf Awareness Month, and we're acknowledging Orefield Middle School for outwardly creating an inclusive environment for their deaf and hard of hearing students by installing 2 sign language murals in their hallways.
We have deaf and hard of hearing students here, and we felt as though it's very important for us to welcome them.
One of them is called Be the I in Kind. It's a photo station to literally be the letter I. But Assistant Principal Dr. Monica Uli says it actualizes the opportunity for students to befriend or help a classmate who is deaf or hard of hearing.
For each of our students to realize that agreeing that it's their actions, they're in control of their actions.
The other art piece is an installation that spells out "Welcome Friends" with each letter of the phrase painted in sign language. Art teacher Christy Robbins says the entire process of assembling this was a true testament to the inclusive nature it's meant to invoke.
Our deaf and hard of hearing students came in and sort of mentored those students and showed them how to use sign language and how to use their hands properly.
Robbins says this project was a microcosm of the opportunities teachers and staff want to offer their deaf and hard of hearing students at Orefield.
And just to see them glow and their eyes light up when they found out they could actually make something really cool, and the fact that they inspired a whole class full of 60 students to make something amazing. I mean, I just feel like that was really special.
Thank you to Orefield Middle School and all other schools who celebrate inclusion for all of their students.